2025 XC90 Recharge is their masterpiece. This plug-in hybrid SUV wraps your family in Scandinavian luxury and cutting-edge protection. The design is elegant and timeless, with signature Thor's hammer headlights and a calm, minimalist interior. Inside, you'll find natural materials, orthopedic seats, and a portrait touchscreen that controls nearly everything. The plug-in hybrid powertrain offers real electric range for daily drives, with a gas engine for longer trips. No range anxiety. Volvo's Pilot Assist suite brings advanced driver assistance, while the structure itself is engineered for maximum safety. The third row is best for kids, but the overall comfort is first class. Downsides? The touchscreen controls can be distracting and it's not as spacious as some rivals. But if you want peace of mind, luxury, and eco-friendly driving, the XC90 Recharge delivers. It's a statement of priorities, safety, comfort, and responsibility. For families who want the best in protection and refinement, this is the SUV to beat. The XC90 Recharge is more than a car, it's a sanctuary. It's for those who want to travel in style and safety, every day. Volvo's vision for a safer future is alive and well in the XC90. It remains a top-tier choice for discerning families. Meet the Volkswagen ID. Buzz, the electric van that brings retro cool to the family car world. Inspired by the classic microbus, the ID. Buzz is all about fun, flexibility, and zero-emission driving. Its two-tone paint, big VW badge, and friendly face turn heads everywhere. Inside, the long wheelbase version offers 3 rows, a flat floor, and huge windows for a bright, open feel. The electric powertrain is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick, making every drive a pleasure. Rear-wheel drive gives it a tight turning circle, so it's easy to maneuver despite its size. Sliding rear doors are perfect for tight parking spots and USB-C ports are everywhere. The playful interior design matches the exterior with clever storage and a modern infotainment system. The upright driving position is unique, some will love it, others may need time to adjust. It's spacious, but its bold style isn't for everyone. The ID. Buzz is a family car you buy with your heart as much as your head. It proves family vehicles can be fun, practical, and green.